Today we're going to be looking at question 35. This is from the SAT number 17. This is the April 2019 QAS test, and let us jump in and check out what we got going on. So here, 35, it says as used in line 17, instruments most nearly mean. So the way to solve this is to go back to the lines. We're going to look for the word instruments. We're going to try to figure out basically what does it mean in the context that it's being used. And maybe what is a good word to replace it with. So let's go back up to line 17. That's going to be right, where is it? Here. They will become flatterers instead of legislators. The instruments, not the guides of the people. And so here is what we're looking for. And here we have instruments, right? This is the word that we're checking out here. So this is saying they will become the flatterers of the people instead of legislators, the instruments, not the guides of the people. So basically what he's contrasting here, the point that he's making is that instruments, it means that they're basically being used by the people, right? So instead of guiding, instead of exercising leadership over the people, they're acting more passively as the instruments, as the vehicles being used as by the people. So let's find an answer choice that will emphasize that lack of autonomy, that passivity, that being used. So A says representatives of the people. Not really correct. He's not saying that instead of being the guides, they're going to be the representatives. I think he would actually agree that they should be the representatives. That's not correct. A or B says tools. I like tools. Tools and instruments are very close in meaning. They mean almost the same thing. And tools maintains that meaning or that sense of being used as opposed to being an active role, right? So I think tools is great. Counselors, no, they're not going to become the counselors as opposed to the guides. It's not really what he's saying. It's too autonomous, right? There's still too much activity. It's not passive enough. D says navigators. Again, that's just weird to be the navigators of the people. Are you navigating through them? Are you navigating for them? Doesn't really make sense. Let's get rid of D. That's going to leave us with answer choice B, which is our correct answer for question numero 35.